Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 4th of September 2023. I hope you must have made good profits in the week that closed yesterday, and overall the week gave very nice profits. If we discuss the dollar index, the gold, the euro dollar, all of them moved very nicely. The Aussie dollar, US dollar, every except the pound dollar, that was not very good, and the pound yen that gave good profits. So let's see, I will be discussing today in a very no rush way, I should say, and I will be discussing these pairs. I will be discussing some concepts as well. So those who are interested to be here with me, I highly recommend you to stay with me till the end, because the things that I'm going to share with all of you are full of knowledge, and no one will share such information with you. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the charts, and let's have a look at these. First of all, dollar index, it's in front of me. And about the dollar index, most of you are beginners, so let me tell you that if the dollar index go up, let me do it this way. If the dollar index go up like this, I'm a little bit, I have bought a pro version of it. So if the dollar index go up, the gold come down, the euro US dollar come down, the pound come down, the dollar yen go up, USD CHF go up. Most of these things you will already know, but I want to tell to this to all of those beginners that dollar index is a very key instrument with us, and that gives us some nice direction. We can, let's suppose if we want to trade gold, identifying the right move on the dollar index, our analysis on the gold will be so much perfect. So let's see the dollar index first of all, and I'm switching to the daily time frame. I have no data on my broker at this time, so let's switch. Okay, so let's stay with on the H4, because the weekly forecasts, obviously these days markets are very fast, so even the H4 will be enough for us. First of all, in the previous forecast, what I said about the dollar index is that it is price was right here the previous week, and I have indicated that it's going to drop. And completely, I didn't personally traded this dollar index, but on the basis of this, I traded the gold and the euro US dollar, which went very nicely, and I will be showing you that technique as well right here. And if you see from where it bounced off right here, if you can see 61.8% retracement from right here, very nice bounce. Target one achieved at 38.2% retracement at a price level of 103.426. make sure to check out my previous weekly forex forecast as well. And we got the second target achieved, and finally the market was back up from right here. Now most of the traders will say this is fundamental activity or this is technical activity. Right here I just want to show you, just have a look at it. At this support price was, and it was clearly further coming down, and when it was going down, everyone was taking sell trades right here. So what happened? The fundamental activity came in, price was already at a technical support level, and people took complete advantage of this whole move. What's next for the upcoming week? I want to delete everything, right? And delete everything means I want to study this hole in front of you right here. The story started from 99.32, and I will be marking it as a support. Right here we had a previous trend that got failed, and which means we have entered into this broken level once again. Just have a look at this. Whenever you analyze any instrument, try to find out the or look at the left side of the market. That is very much important for all of us to understand. Most of the traders don't do this. So this was the precise level with us right here, and just have a look at it. We have even got a little bit of seller attack right here, but the market continued back up. Once it went back up right here, we have got another story, and obviously this story right here, if you see an exact bounce off from 61.8% retracement. Now those traders who say Fibonacci doesn't work, maybe they don't know how to trade with it, but whenever the market gave an initial signal that it's going up on the retracement, on the 61.8% retracement, don't you think it was good for taking some sort of risk? But anyways, this ABCD pattern was then completed. Right here, a little bit of seller attack and completed, and the market went back up, took this as a support and is going back up. So for the upcoming week, this area is now clearly going to be a very nice support level for me, and I will be looking at this particular zone. I will be considering it, this one right now. So if this is an impulsive wave, definitely it will have a Fibonacci, and according to this Fibonacci, the market yet has to drop till 102.60, this level of support right here. Market no doubt went back up from there as per the previous analysis, but this bigger plan, and I'm happy it did not happen, because I'm looking bullish on gold. So if it let's say if in the previous week dollar index took a retest from right here, it definitely would be trying to go back up towards towards 105.391, but that did not happen, and we have a very tiny story right here. Since right here we have also got a support zone, so this whole area for the future is now going to be a support area for me. Now at the moment, this instruments clearly show an up move towards 105.391, but I want to break it down, and I will be breaking it down in this way. I first of all on Monday and in the upcoming week will be looking for a breakout from right here. Let me show you. I will be looking for a breakout from right here. The market should give me this breakout, then the retest, and then upon confirmation I can then trade it towards 105.391. This is one trade opportunity, and in this I will have no interest, remember, right? I will just then follow it. I will be using it for correlation purposes, but I will not be interested to personally trade it. The second scenario right here is if it bounces off from this level right here. If I show you this level, yes, it can make a good sense, and on the H1 I want to see on the H1 if price start to consolidate right here, then I will consider this area as a drop. Now potentially if it becomes a sell area, how much the market can drop? There are several levels. Since we are looking for a sell opportunity from there, there are several levels, one of which is 103.33, one of which is this one. So for the week ahead, this is going to be another support with me, 102.945. As I said, market from there almost dropped 147 pips and corrected itself. So in the upcoming week we have to see if it gives us that one other pullback to the downside. That will be super nice. So since if I sum up everything, the market no doubt closed bullish, but it could not closed, or it could not break this resistance, which means it is still bearish. Did you get my point? We can expect in the upcoming week that it will be bearish if it start to consolidate right here, right? So this is the dollar index standing at a sell point. Now let's see if it go further up. We take buy towards 105, and if it start to consolidate right here, I will be looking it to the downside of the market. These are several targets. This is also a strong level. I will be communicating with you during the week. Gold US dollar, if we see the long term image, I will be discussing it, and the short term image definitely I discuss that every day with all of you 11 p.m. my time. Just during the lunch break of the New York session, I upload a daily forex forecast video, day trading video I call it. So right here on the daily time frame of gold, right here what we can see is 61.8% retracement, and as per this 61.8% retracement, now the gold might be coming back down till here. 1843.69 is the level, and this is going to be the whole reversal area with us. Keep this level in your mind. It will be helping you understanding the markets, but it doesn't mean if it is showing this C to D leg it will be 100% doing it. No, it just gives us direction of the market. Direction of the market it gave. Now moving on to the H4, and if you see my video from Thursday, just give me 1 second. Okay, so if this market on the daily time frame is standing for a sell trade, and it is directing towards 1843, it doesn't mean, since we have also this very strong support right here, so it doesn't mean it will be blindly doing it, but we can expect that okay, this 677 pips towards 1885, that is now possible. Why I'm saying it? Because we have not got a break above this zone. Check out my Thursday's video, and this level of resistance I have clearly discussed, and 61.8% retracement, the bounce. So on the H4 it is now clearly showing me a drop towards 1907, 1911, somewhere closer to these levels. In this situation, let's suppose if I trade it to the bottom side of the market, it is 181 pips of stop loss and 316 pips of TP. And remember, those who manage their risk to reward profile, even if the trade go negative against you, still that will be not a problem. So for now I just want to focus on this particular sell from here and till 1911 most probably. Then during the week I will be definitely communicating with all of you. If we get a break above and a retest, then I will be looking towards 1980. So the buy opportunity is right here, the buy opportunity is right here as well, near 1907. There will be some intraday buying opportunities right here, which I'm not interested at all. This is way too up. I don't want to buy it right here. If it, the ideal situation will be if it created this double top up there, that will be super nice, and it will be then indicating this drop towards 1911, 1907 zone. Once again 1903 we can say. That depends on the market and the volatility in that time. So this is gold US dollar. The day trading I will be uploading that in separate videos. These are just the weekly plans. Move on to the euro US dollar, and on the euro US dollar, definitely what I said on Thursday, that is still in its place. I will be discussing that in a complete separate video, but this is now a weekly forex forecast, and I have to look for the bigger image of the market. First of all, I wanted to take a sell trade from, I want to explain this whole story to all of you. I was looking for a sell trade for from 1.10813, and still I'm looking for that as well, because this support is not yet broken, right? So the day trading and the weekly trading, that is going to be during this zone, and during this zone if we see, we can get nice opportunities. But these two candles on the fundamental activity on Friday closed very badly. Even right here, see these two candles, even 2 days the market, 3 days the market struggled to go up during the week till Wednesday, and Wednesday onward, Thursday and Friday, it dropped badly, right? So bigger image of the market, we have to keep that in mind. There is a very next support right here with us near 1.06275, and another one right here near 1.05107. So if we see this zone, it can be a very nice one, and it actually can become a very good zone for the buy opportunities. But I'm not saying it is dropping towards right here. If you have any strategy, this is the direction of the market. We have got a little bit of false breakout on the weekly. Actually, that is not false. I have discussed it. There was an ABCD pattern, and with the help of ABCD patterns, we can clearly identify any move. So to most of them, they will say we have got a breakout, and now most of the traders are stuck on buy trades. I'm also on a buy, but that is very long term, and I also have hedged the position, so I want to stay away from the market for this upcoming week, and I will be focusing on the analysis a lot. So now let's see if it goes further down or not. Let's switch to the daily time frame. Now the daily also closed in such a way in which, if we discuss it, there will be some sort of resistance with us right here, and I should better do that on the H4. So on the H4, if we see uh, the day trading, I will be discussing that in separate videos, what I said and then what the market did. But at the moment, this euro dollar has given me a very nice sign to the bottom side of the market, and it, as per this, it is clearly suggesting a drop from this particular zone. And why from this particular zone? See, I have discussed it earlier that it is going to be a good previous support zone, then it is going to be a previous resistance zone, and this is going to be the third touch of the market, and after that the market drop. So I have to further see for the week that how it closes. There is still a possibility for a bounce back, but let's see if the market opens with gaps. We will see. Right here, no blind buy opportunities, just we will be waiting for confirmations, and on those confirmations we are going to take buy trades. Now for the sell opportunity, there is one thing, the sell opportunity will be from right here, but there is one thing. We have got a very nice double bottom right here, and we have got a divergence which sometimes do fail, but this is the overall situation of the euro US dollar. So let's see if it closes below this zone, then I will be clearly looking towards 1.06275. There is one thing and one signal it gave me, and that signal is so much important for me. Just have a look at it, and it completes right here at the previous zone. So I think if the market pull back towards 1.08798, from there a very nice sell trade can be catch, you can catch it. From here, if it start to consolidate, a very nice buy trades all the way towards 1.10. So let's see what it gives us. Dollar yen, I have discussed it, and it moved very nicely from the said zone right here. So those who are looking for a buy opportunity, 173 pips they have easily generated. Now I'm going to delete everything. I just want to show you something right here, and even I have discussed it months ago, all the way when price was on in May, almost 3 or 4 months ago. I have discussed that it is going to retrace back, and result is right here. But this candle right here is clearly indicating towards 148.100, and most probably from there, because last year it was trading right here, this year it is also trading right here. So let's see, any pullback from there, it will be a very good sell sign with us. If it should give us, because all of the impulsive waves are going to complete near 148.100, remember this level. And on the H4, those of my brothers who want to trade it, I will be discussing that in the daily forex forecast video. Pound dollar daily forecast, I will be discussing it. The long term, definitely, if we see, it is clearly it bounced off from which level. Let's have a look at it. 61.8% retracement, it bounces off. But the problem is the market never continued back up, and it gave like same situation that we have on euro dollar, gold dollar, dollar index. So let's wait for it till Monday. Dollar CAD, it also went up from right here. Even I took a trade right here during the week. 116 pips it was giving me, but I think I left the market with around 35 or 32 pips. I'm not sure, because I'm mainly looking for sell side of the market, and the sell side, the target zones will be 1.33535. So let's see how it gives us. I will be following it daily in the upcoming week as well. You can let me know in the comment section down below, shall I make separate videos for each pair, 10 minutes duration, or I should daily cover these instruments in just one video? Please do let me know. And also those of you who are interested to get my premium services, uh, this is my number. I want to this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me. Most of the traders, when they comes to me, are so much afraid from this market, from this trading, because of their losing trades. And I still don't think why, if someone is can afford to lose $20,000 in the forex market, why that same person cannot afford to just take a course. Have you ever seen a pilot flying a plane without proper training or practice? No, right? So same is the case right here. You are dealing with your money, and when in anything, when money is involved, emotions will be there. So why don't you understand these things, right? So I'm here available for you, anyone who want to join the premium sessions. In 3 months I just can facilitate around around 6 7 clients. So, and I work personally with the clients. I share my screen, and personally on WhatsApp we are in touch. So dollar CAD, yes, this is also going down very nicely towards 1.33535. Aussie dollar, US dollar, from here we took a trade last week, 124 pips, and it is also now clearly standing at a buy point. We have took a sell from there. I discussed it in the daily videos, and it is now suggesting a further up move towards 65.73. So if it bounces off, if it is going towards there, if it breaks below, I will be looking at it near this support. But in the buy trade, still the stop loss is less, and I recommend anyone who want to trade, this is not very bad. New Zealand US dollar, there we took several trade opportunities. From right here on this analysis, it gave partial profits of 75 pips, but it couldn't completed the whole move. So if this price closes below this uh, zone 61.8, then these sellers will invalidate this thing, and then in that situation what we will be looking for, double bottom near this zone. Let me clearly show double bottom, and if that is also closed, that will be a complete separate new story. So for the upcoming week, it is still showing bullish, but let's see during Monday sessions it will further makes the image clear to me towards 6.60495, and if it drops, definitely it will be going further down. Dollar CHF, as I have said, it dropped 136 pips, and it is now going back up towards to complete actually this impulsive wave right here. From right here, what we have got is a very nice trend, and that is indicating towards 0.89294. but everything like depends on the market situations. Pound yen, if we see, it is on this impulsive wave. Let's see what it gives us. This is also a buy zone, and if it gives 182.191, I will most likely be going to take some buy opportunities. Nasdaq right here, if we see, there was one plan setup that I have discussed with all of you, and that got successfully completed. Very nice structure right here. It was very nice price action it was, and it has got completed. So I think it should either retest without any confirmation, retest of 15113, it can retest that. But if it doesn't do that, and if it goes straight up to 15930, then I'm doing nothing. Otherwise, if it gives me a retrace back, I'm going to take a further buy opportunity. This was the weekly forex forecast, my friends. I hope you will follow the levels, you will practice it on your demo accounts, and you will let me know about your progress, because I assume you guys should be making good profits. Again, I want to show my WhatsApp number, and please, to when you message me, try to don't take too much of the time, just clearly communicate your message to me, right? So looking forward for your messages as well, for the likes on this video as well. And to all of those who are missing the weekly forex forecast videos, weekly forex forecast by Aftab is back. So looking forward for a very good start of the week. And one more thing I want to tell all of you is that these weekly analysis are for specific traders. Okay, so those daily videos I do, they are for day traders. These are for long term, which gives us the direction of the market. So if you combine the daily videos with this video, I'm sure you'll be 100% to the right direction of the market. Thank you so much everyone for being here with me and for your time. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.